Hello, I'm here with Magdalene Assimon to discuss her article, Analysis of Respiratory Fluoroquinolones and the Risk of Sudden Cardiac Death Among Patients Receiving Hemodialysis, which has been awarded the Literature Award for Drug Therapy Research. So, how do the results of your research inform patient care?
Our study provides population-specific safety data suggesting that respiratory fluoroquinolones, so levofloxacin and moxifloxacin, treatment with those medications compared to amoxicillin-based antibiotics elevates the already high underlying risk of sudden cardiac death in hemodialysis patients. The elevated risk of sudden cardiac death we saw with respiratory fluoroquinolone treatment in our study was particularly elevated among those taking other QT prolonging medications. Thus, these main findings from our study suggest that curtailing the prescribing of respiratory fluoroquinolones and possibly other QT prolonged medications may be one actionable strategy to mitigate the very high risk of sudden cardiac death in the hemodialysis population. However, it's important to note that there are situations in practice when respiratory fluoroquinolone treatment may be unavoidable. For example, a respiratory fluoroquinolone should be prescribed over an amoxicillin-based antibiotic when amoxicillin-based antibiotics would provide inadequate antimicrobial coverage. So taking that all together, I think that one of the take-home messages when respiratory fluoroquinolones are prescribed to hemodialysis patients, clinicians should consider EKG monitoring before and during therapy, especially among patients with multiple cardiac risk factors.
Congratulations, Magdalene. It was a pleasure speaking with you.
Yeah, great. Thank you so much.